Alright, so punta tayo sa harap ng gate ng subdivision natin to pick up yung isa sa mga establishments or restaurants na na-feature na natin before sa We're in Pampanga. If you haven't seen our video for that restaurant, check out this first. Ano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako ni Luis Soning, We're in Pampanga. Ngayon pong aldongay ni or ngayon bengi ngayon ni invite kami po kay ning soft opening na ning halftime burger Angeles City. Thank you. Nan babo kabalen, my name is Louis and welcome to We're in Pampanga. If you recognize yung video clip na pinalabas namin earlier this vlog, you will surely recognize na si Halftime Burger Angeles City ang nagpadala ng mga food packages natin for today. So, we are excited. Let's get into the details, guys. So, pinadala nila sa atin today, of course, their burgers. Whoa, so this is MVP James Harden. And the next is, whoa, this is the heaviest 3-point patty. Oh man, this burger is really heavy. Right side na food package natin. They sent us their first food box, guys. Oh, amazing nachos. Ang dami. Well, thank you so much, Halftime Burgers Angeles City. And then, last for our food package ay ang kanilang chicken wings. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. This is so heavenly. So we have spicy barbecue, sriracha, garlic parmesan, teriyaki. This is how it looks like after I have unpacked them on our tables. Let me start with the chicken wings. Oh man. This is so satisfying. One more chicken before we get into burgers. Oh wow. Three-peat means 3 times champion. 3 times champion na magkakasunod-sunod. This is so huge. I don't think it can even fit in my mouth. So cheesy, it's so messy, it's so delicious, so flavorful. Oh, check that burger right here. So there you have it, guys. We would like to thank Halftime Burgers Angeles City branch. I can assure you 100%, guys, you're gonna have the burgers and the chicken that they are serving, guys. 100% recommended. So if you are craving for the food that you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Ang importante dyan, share it with your friends, tag your family along. And Halftime Burgers Angeles City just recently opened, and of course with the quarantine compliance, they are open for delivery and for pickup. For more information, check out their fan page and the numbers flashing on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. I'm gonna continue this one until our next video, guys. I'll see you.